In today's times of despair and ambiguity, it is really harder to keep calm and encourage oneself to be positively charged and enthused throughout the day. With work from home scenarios, one would get really lesser time on hand to do things that would bring joy and balance in your day. What do you do then? How do you find that little nook or corner in your house to bring that balance and poise in challenging times? Many decades of research has shown that repeating positive words to oneself can build positive vibes around us and encourage our brain to respond effectively to difficult situations. Mind over matter has always worked. Good morning everyone. Welcome to Nirmati Academy's channel of inspirational and informative videos. My name is Dipti Deepak. I'm founder, director and personal excellence coach at Nirmati Academy, and together we are going to pen down 3 mindful phrases and words that can bring in instant energy and invigorate a spark in you even in these darkest days. Number 1. I am capable of creating something new daily. As we work from home, one could easily get lost in mundane and miscellaneous activities at home. This mantra could really help you to energize your inner self and find a new purpose to your presence on a daily basis. Second, I have solved complex problems even before, so this too will get easily solved. Life in its own ways is a mean teacher and has brought complexities and knocked you down couple of times. Illnesses, emergencies, loss of health or life, self-doubt or failure are simply life's stations that you have not chose to be on. However, how you respond to each of these life stations will really take you out of this rut with flying colors. Likewise, COVID-19 and its resulting lockdown is one of those life stations that you have simply landed upon. However, how you respond to it on a daily basis will really help you to perish or perform in its aftermath. Number 3. Change is inevitable and troublesome, but I am strong to withstand it. Have you ever seen a butterfly coming straight out of a cocoon? Unlikely, right? Nature disposes such earth-shaking changes in a life cycle of every living thing. Like in a caterpillar who has to go through plethora of changes to come out as a beautiful butterfly. Even though the world had locked down the borders and businesses, digital transformation and online platforms really opened up opportunities for those who would like to work from home or learn from home. Remember, as much as change is troublesome, it is inevitable. By looking at the silver lining, it will only aid your effort to evolve from it. So be the COVID caterpillars. So friends, you may write these powerful words and encouraging phrases as a screensaver on your phone or on your workstation. You may also pen down these thoughts in your diary to reinforce positive vibes daily. Historians and mythical science have proven that life is constantly changing with negative and positive experiences. While the colossal waves of troubled times could have never been imagined or forecasted, your outlook and your choices can really help you to live mindfully. For such interesting and inspiring thoughts and articles, do check out our website www.nirmatiacademy.com and subscribe to our YouTube channel today. Till then, stay safe, stay mindful. Thank you.